Welcome to Pouse Out of the House. In this video I'm going to show you exactly what you get inside the box of a GoPro Hero 10 Black Special Bundle. So just quickly before we open it, this is the box. When you have the special bundle rather than the GoPro itself, you can see it says so by there, and it comes with a magnetic swivel clip, comes with the shorty, which is like a tripod that extends out, and the battery. So going to the bottom of the box, we just tear this open here, and these never seem to go smoothly for me, but it has on this occasion. Take the case out of the box and place that to one side. And that is how it looks inside, with your leaflets at the top. So now I'm going to take everything out and remove the packaging. So first of all, we have the GoPro Hero 10 Black. You've got the lens with a sticky label on it. You've got the front screen, the back screen. I'm not going to look inside the camera in this particular video. I'm also going to leave these sticky labels on for now. And here we have a USB to USB-C lead for charging the GoPro and linking it to your computer if required. You get your two standard batteries. Obviously, if you're just buying the GoPro alone, you get one battery, but part of the bundle gives you the additional battery. We get a curved mounting clip, which is for putting on helmets for things like moto vlogging, and this comes with double-sided tape on the back. Then we got two mounts. The slightly shorter one is actually the one that comes for the GoPro. And to push this into the mount, we just raise this rubber section there, place the clips inside the mount, and click into place like that, and then you can push the rubber back inside. You then take the GoPro, you pull out the little flaps on the bottom, and that slots into the mount like that. Then using one of the screws provided, that will tighten that mount up to the camera. So this slightly taller mount there is actually designed to go with a magnetic swivel clip, and it works in exactly the same way. By lifting up the rubber, you just place it into that, push the rubber back in, and again you just mount the GoPro in exactly the same way as we just saw. On the base of this swivel clip we have this scratch resistant magnet here. Inside here we have some rubber teeth, and the top actually swivels round 360 degrees like that. Then here we got what's known as the shorty, and this is essentially a combination of an extendable vlogging stick along with a tripod. And instead of one of these long screws, this comes with the shorter metal screw. However, if you want to use this, you can. One last thing to mention is that by ordering through GoPro themselves, they actually throw in this SanDisk Extreme 32GB micro SD card. So a quick summary, we've got the tripod extendable selfie stick, also known as the shorty. We've got the magnetic swivel clip with the mount that I've currently got sat inside the clip. We've got the adhesive helmet mount. We've got the shorter clip that fits in any of the GoPro mounts. We've got the two screws that are to be used with the GoPro mounting clips. We've got the GoPro Hero 10 Black camera itself. We've got a USB to USB-C charging lead, and we got two standard batteries. With GoPro, they also throw in this 32GB micro SD card. And of course the case to store your GoPro and accessories. So that's it for today's video, and if all you wanted to know is what's inside that box, then hopefully I've answered your question. If you're interested in any of the products I use in this video, I'll put links to those in the description section below. If you found this video useful, then please give it a like. If you're interested in DIY, head over to my other channel, Pouse Around the House. Give it a like, subscribe, and finally don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press that bell icon for regular notifications. I've been Pouse Out of the House. Ta-ta, farewell.